Alright, good morning everybody. So we are back out here working on this deck. Ain't that a view though? I love that view. It looks so good from down there looking up, especially when we have all the lights on out in here. So we're gonna change up the pace a little bit for today for the original plan that we had last night before we left. We're gonna set new posts all the way down through here, and we're going to take up from about right here this whole corner of this deck and redo it, so that way we can get this fixed and fixed properly. And we're not gonna put the log railing, I don't know if you guys can really see, but we're not gonna put that back up. We're gonna go traditional railing because all this railing here is rotted. But I'm gonna get some measurements and then I'll catch up with you guys when it's daylight. Alright, and it begins. Got Mr. Rockstar Zach here.
Hello.
Cutting her out. Y'all think we're just gonna fall? We might not.
Good.
Darn it.
Heck of a video.
Yes, it would be. Alright, well, I'm gonna throw you guys on time lapse over there somewhere, watching all this, because I'm getting ready to run and get
I gave Tyler a whole pack
swap
of brand new Sawzall blades.
trailers.
The spider?
Yeah.
They're in. Yeah, they're inside on the front bed.
Yeah, grab him those. Alright, let's throw you guys up. Alright, well, I'm back and got all the lumber. The guys got the deck off, so no more wraparound deck. I wonder what the owners would think of that. Don't think they'd like that too well. But, so we're gonna chop the raw out of that post and splice that post. Old man's here, and that's what he suggested we do instead of doing a bunch more work and adding more posts and stuff. We cut the rot, and we're gonna put some sealer in there so it don't rot back out. So that's what we're working on now. Alright, well, we got a couple deck boards on. Still got this. We're putting, we'll call these the beauty boards on, because we're going to have seams. So, yeah, it's looking really good. If these two knuckleheads over here would do something, we would have something accomplished. But me and the old man can't, you know, support this whole team.
I'm waiting on the two accomplished to get something done, Beep.
Yeah, Beep, he forgot. Alright, we'll do a little catch up here. It is really cooled down. It's been almost 100 degrees all day, but it started raining. So, and we have got all the fan boards on, and joist on. So now we're gonna start running deck boards, getting all these deck boards down, and then we gotta set a post down there for the railing right there, put spindles on, and this is a wrap. So we'll throw you up here. All right, well, and just like that, literally like 10 minutes later, we got these deck boards on.
Oh, what's wrong with Clayton? He said he couldn't carry it.
Look at Zach go. That's a 14 foot or something like that, 6x6.
I thought you said they're 16 footers.
Well, they might
Tell
be.
you what, this one seems lighter than the 12.
Oh, 16 footer, but this is for our handrail, so he's setting it down in there. He looks a little,
Yeah, after I think about it for a second.
yeah. You can do it.
Right there. Oh, your hole's way too far this way. Jesus.
All right, we're gonna have to probably do some hole trimming.
And break.
And break, yep. Exactly what Zach said. All right, well, Clayton has started spindles, and we got the deck on, screwed down, all tied in. And we're finishing up these railings because, as you can see, the railing goes whoop like that. So we're putting a 4x4 where Clayton's at to kick it out because that post for the roof is offset, and that is way too much work to make this all right. So let's rig it up, fix it. But yeah, Zach would just straight quit on me if I told him to do that. But that'll be it. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, and I promise it won't be time lapse. I'm so sorry. We were just trying to get this job busted out, but tomorrow we're gonna be doing a little bit here and doing some driveways. So we will catch you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.